All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Dodge Dart. This is the SXT model, this beautiful black with black interior, alloy wheels, this sound system, steering wheel controls. It's got 34,000 miles, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Go real quick, your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Here's your front fender. Looks very nice. Your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Tire right here is just under 7/32. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing on here. Tire thread is under 4/32. Got some scuffing on this rear bumper. Let's see, 3, 6, about 9 inches. Boom. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. You got power windows, power door lights, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Does come with the one key fob combo. Check out pictures for more details. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. So what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. There's your mileage of 34,137. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Open up the trunk. Very nice. I'll keep it on. All right. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Does have some scratching. Here's a heavy scratch, about 2 inches, and some chips. That's just typical. Deck lid looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and I tucked away your owner's manual's case there. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread under 4/32. This dirt, it's just a bunch of little dirt marks. Bunch of little dirt marks on it. Look good though. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Front door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good as well. Coming around, fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good, and tire thread just under 7/32. Pretty much completes the tour, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2016 Dodge Dart. Wait a minute, what is that? Is that a dent? Got a dent here, 3, 6. Got a dent, no paint off, about 6 inches right here. All right, the hood. Folks, once again, this is the 2016 Dodge Dart. SXT model is beautiful black on black with 34K. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.